Hello again, it's Mendel Kestecher from KesteKrafts. I just want to give some quick tips on personal protection when it comes to sanding wood. Just want to say these are issues that most people working in the industry are aware of, but often tend to ignore the importance of. First issue right here. Sawdust. Very bad to inhale, incredibly dangerous for your health. It can cause all sorts of problems such as asthma, and these problems are certainly not something you want specifically right now in the corona era, where trouble breathing tends to be quite risky. So as you can see here, I've set up my workpiece right next to this 300 watt industrial extractor fan. What does that do? It lets all the dust go out while I'm sanding. And just to show you that, let me show you if I drop some sawdust here, it will kind of scatter. When I turn this on, let it fire up to its full capacity, and then I drop some sawdust again, you'll see it all gets directed straight towards the fan, and most of it goes straight out. But of course, this alone isn't going to keep me safe while I'm sanding, because it doesn't take into account those little bits of dust that are escaping the other direction. So, in addition to this, I wear a dust mask. That's how it's done. Now I'm using here an air-powered random orbit sander, which, as you can hear, makes quite a racket. So just as important as dust protection, you also need ear protection, which is why I always have handy a pair of headphones. Aside from which, if you're using more powerful machinery, you'll often get high frequencies that would penetrate right through the headphones, and you'd also want to use internal earplugs to protect your ears from that. That being said, time to get to work. Well, that's it for now. So if you found that entertaining, educational, or otherwise useful, please subscribe to my channel and hope to see you again. Thank you.